Here is the overview of contracts, and alongside it, you can see the overview of clients. And then, we navigate to the Tasks and Notifications tab. Here, under Past Due, you can view the list of documents that have already expired. This is the list of documents that have expired. Next, under 30 days, you can view the contracts that are set to expire within the next 30 days. And the 60 days section works the same way, showing the contracts that will expire within the next 60 days. The 120 days section also follows the same pattern. Next, in the Contracts tab, we have the list of contracts. Here, on the next page, we have a contract file named 1count, and we're going to update this supplementary contract from inactive to active, since its previous date has expired. We make it active again by linking it to the active master contract shown above. Then, we scroll horizontally to the right and click the Edit button. Here we need to find the end date and update the end date by clicking the Date field and choosing the date, year, and month, then scroll to the right again and click the Save button. The changes are applied successfully, and the supplementary contract becomes active. In the Tasks and Notifications tab, we can now see our last modified from inactive to active, renewed contract listed under the 120 days section. Here is the file, and you can see that the user has added a comment regarding the renewal. When you click on the comments, you can add a comment regarding the process and save it for future notes. Then, after you click the comments, the previous remarks are also visible with the username who commented. Now you can see the date here. Next, we assign a task by using the Assign button next to the comments. Select a user, and the task is successfully assigned. And then, when we navigate to the Workflow tab, we can see the assigned tasks along with their details, including the task ID, dates, and current status. When you click the Inactive button, it prompts you to enter the Renewal Document ID. To proceed, navigate to the Contracts tab, copy the document ID from the master contract, and paste it into the prompt. Once submitted, the update is applied successfully. Then, return to the Contracts tab, where you can see that the status has been updated to inactive, along with the corresponding dates. Now, we navigate to the Contracts tab and select the contract that needs to be managed. After selecting it, we move to the Obligation section, where we choose the same contract to ensure both areas are aligned. Here, we proceed to assign the obligation to a specific user by using the Assign option. Once the task assignment window opens, we select the appropriate user from the list and confirm the assignment. After assigning, we add a comment indicating that this particular obligation has been archived. This comment helps maintain clear tracking and provides context for future reference. Finally, we save the changes, and the system updates the obligation successfully, reflecting both the assignment and the archived status. This ensures the contract lifecycle is accurately recorded and all related activities remain transparent within the system. Now, we navigate to the Config tab, where all system-level settings are managed. On the right side, you will find the option called Renewal Mail Alert. This feature allows you to set up automated email notifications for upcoming contract renewals. Click on Renewal Mail Alert, and you will see a field where you can enter the email address of the user or team who needs to receive these alerts. Carefully type in the email ID, making sure it is correct, because renewal alerts are an important part of contract lifecycle tracking. Once the email ID is entered, click the Update Email List button. The system will process your request, and you will receive a confirmation that the email list has been updated successfully. From this point onward, whenever a contract approaches its renewal date, the configured email address will automatically receive a notification. This ensures that no contract deadline is missed and that all renewal activities are handled on time.